there is something we should talk about. There is one mental habit. It's not really mental, but it helps your mental health that a lot of people are not doing, and it's very simple. Now imagine, is this you? You wake up either in a city or in a town, and it's usually cloudy outside, or maybe it's sunny. And what you do? You go out of the house. Oh wait, you don't go out of the house. It's weekend. Ooh, I'm gonna sleep long, and then I'm gonna stay in the house all day. And maybe when it's night outside, I'm gonna go out with friends or in a party. Maybe, just maybe. But otherwise, I'm just gonna be home and chill all day and watch Netflix and do other stupid shit, play video games, da da da. Guess what? You're missing a big mental health factor, and it's called getting the sunlight. And before you click off this video, this is not a clickbait. Me, myself, personally, I've been in this mental, self-improvement kind of area for quite some time now. And every single fucking time I heard, oh, get the sunlight, it's very important. I was like, what the fuck you're talking about, mate? What the fuck are you talking about? I wake up, it's light in my house because of the sun. Why would I need to go out? Right? I thought it's stupid. How would it affect my mental health if I'm just standing there in the sun? Doesn't make sense. But guess what? It actually does. Because if you look on a biological level, you get vitamin D from the sun. But you can get it with pills as well, especially now in the winter times. Or if your country is more of a, cloudy country, then yes, get the vitamin D supplement. So you have enough of vitamin D. But otherwise, sun is like the natural way to get it. Like if you look at the ancient people, ancient cavemen, they were only on the sun. And there was a study done, if you get the sun, I mean it's a bit extreme study, right? But like, they guessed that it's true. If you get sun on your balls, I'm not saying to do that, right? It sounds weird, but just so you know, if you get sun on your balls, your testosterone increases for like quite a lot of percent. So, it's a funny thing how much sun can do. It increases your dopamine, it makes you feel better, it improves your mood. If you do it long enough, of course, I mean every day for some time. It gives you vitamin D, so you're more healthy. It improves your mental health. It wakes you up in the morning. It starts your natural body systems working in the morning. That's why a lot of people recommend morning walks. Imagine this, you wake up and you go for a 10-minute walk on the sun. Sun is shining in your face. You can see the sun like from the... Don't directly look at it, right? But like from the side, for example, right? You're walking on the sun. Your eyes are getting the sun. Your body, your skin is exposed to the sun. Just 10 minutes, morning walks. And you have no bloody clue how much is that gonna help your mental health. Help your body, help your immune system, help your mental health, help you to achieve your goals and to be a better person. It's gonna really help you. Like, don't believe me or believe me. I'm just saying, try it out for 2 weeks, for a month. And if it doesn't help you, alright, quit it. You don't need to ever do it again. But if it just has a slightest little tiny benefit, ask yourself this after 2 weeks or a month. Did they have a slightest tiny benefit? And if you did, you're welcome. Stay hard. Stay on the grind.